I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to the Bit Integrations plugin dashboard. Create integrations. Search for and select ConvertPro as a trigger. Now choose a form or a task name. Click the Fetch button. Next, go to your form page. Fill out the form and submit it. The data has been successfully retrieved. Set action. Now here search and select Asana. Here, give them a meaningful integration name as you want. Now for API key. Please visit Asana API console. Now click on Create New Token. Give them a meaningful name as you want. Check the list. Then create token. Copy this and paste it on authorization page. Now click on Authorize. Authorization successfully done. Click Next. Select Action. Select Project. Then select Section. Now map the fields. Then click Next. Finish and save it. Now, let's fill out a form. Submit the form. Now let's go to the Asana. Here is the data that came into Asana through the integration. Thanks for watching.